Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to leave a group chat in Messenger without everyone getting that notification that you've left? I totally get it, and I'm going to walk you through the best way to do this in 2026. Step 1. First, open your Messenger app and find the group chat you want to leave. Long press on the chat name or tap and hold until a menu pops up. This is where all your options are going to show up. Step 2. Look for the mute or silence notifications option first. You can mute the conversation so you stop getting notifications, but people won't know you've actually left yet. Tap on mute notifications and select how long you want it muted. Step 3. Now here's the key part. Instead of hitting leave group, you're going to archive the chat instead. Swipe left on the conversation or look for an archive button. This hides it from your main chat list without notifying anyone. Step 4. Go back and check your archived folder to confirm it's hidden. You can access archived chats by scrolling to the top of your chat list and tapping on archived conversations. This keeps everything private from your view. Step 5. If you really need to fully leave without a notification, check if there's an invisible mode or do not disturb setting in your Messenger privacy settings. Some versions allow you to adjust who sees your active status, which makes it less obvious you've disappeared from the group.